Have you ever finished a meal and felt that uncomfortable, heavy pressure in your stomach, wishing there was an instant solution to release the trapped gas? Maybe you've tried ignoring it, standing up, or sipping water, hoping the discomfort will pass. But what if I told you that you could feel relief immediately with a few simple movements and stretches? No medications required, no complicated tools, just using your own body. Today, we're going to explore practical, easy-to-follow exercises designed to help anyone, whether you're sedentary, practicing yoga or Pilates, or just looking for quick solutions to naturally release trapped gas and reduce bloating. By the end of this video, you'll have a set of tools that you can use anytime you feel that heavy, uncomfortable pressure building up after meals, helping you regain comfort and energy instantly. The human body is amazing at signaling what it needs, and trapped gas is no exception. It's your digestive system's way of telling you that something is stuck or needs movement. The accumulation of air in your intestines, combined with slowed digestion and prolonged sitting, can make this discomfort worse. Many people experience this multiple times a week without realizing there's a way to ease it quickly, safely, and naturally. Today, I'll show you movements that are simple enough for beginners, safe enough for older adults, and effective enough to provide almost immediate relief. You don't need any fancy equipment, just a few minutes, a little space, and your own body. Let's begin with some gentle stretches designed to activate your abdomen and encourage movement of the trapped gas. The first one is called the Child's Pose Twist. Kneel on the floor and stretch your arms forward, lowering your chest toward your knees. Breathe deeply into your abdomen, and then gently twist your upper body slightly to one side. Hold for a few seconds, then twist to the other. This position helps to elongate the spine, release tension in the lower back, and massage the abdominal organs internally. Notice how just this simple movement can encourage the natural release of trapped gas and provide immediate relief from bloating. Another excellent stretch is the Nice 2 chest pose. Lie on your back, pull your knees gently toward your chest, and wrap your arms around them. Rock slightly from side to side, allowing your abdominal muscles to contract and massage the intestines. This pose is especially useful if you feel that sharp, localized pressure in your lower abdomen, giving you a gentle but effective internal massage that helps gases move along the digestive tract. Even just 1 or 2 minutes in this position can make a huge difference, particularly after a heavy meal. Now, let's incorporate a movement that adds a bit more activity while remaining accessible to everyone. The air bicycle is perfect for stimulating the intestines. Lie on your back, lift your legs, and pedal in the air as if riding a bicycle. Keep your core engaged and breathe steadily. This motion not only encourages trapped gas to move, but it also strengthens your abdominal muscles, improves circulation, and stimulates digestion in a natural way. Many people underestimate how simple leg movements can impact their overall digestive comfort. But this is a game changer for anyone struggling with bloating or gas. If you prefer something in a standing position, we have side bends and stretches. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, raise one arm above your head, and lean gently to the opposite side, feeling a stretch along your side and into your abdominal wall. Hold, breathe, and then switch sides. Doing this a few times helps to release tension, improve posture, and allow the trapped air to move freely. It's a perfect movement to do after a long day of sitting, at your desk, or even in the kitchen after a meal. These stretches not only relieve bloating, but also teach your body to engage your core in a way that supports long-term digestive health. Movement is only part of the solution. Incorporating gentle rhythmic torso rotations can also help. Sit on the floor with legs crossed or extended in front of you, place your hands on your knees, and slowly rotate your upper body from left to right, keeping your spine straight and shoulders relaxed. This twist stimulates the internal organs, encourages peristalsis, the natural movement of your intestines, and helps gas to move along. Twisting motions might feel subtle, but they are extremely effective, especially when done consistently. Many people feel almost instant relief after performing these twists for just a minute or two. Breathing plays a surprisingly critical role as well. Deep diaphragmatic breathing can relax your muscles and encourage the intestines to release gas more efficiently. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand, and exhale fully, allowing your belly to contract. Coordinating these breaths with your stretches enhances the effectiveness of each movement, reduces tension, and even improves your overall sense of calm and well-being. Imagine combining a simple stretch with deep breathing. This is not just a physical release, but also a moment of mental relaxation that can dramatically improve how you feel after a meal. For those who enjoy yoga or Pilates, the wind-relieving pose is ideal. Lie flat on your back, lift one leg and then the other, toward your chest, and eventually bring both knees together, hugging them. This position directly compresses the intestines, helping gas to pass naturally. While the name might sound amusing, the results are serious. This pose is a favorite for immediate relief and is widely recommended by physiotherapists and digestive specialists. Even if you're new to exercise, you can perform this safely and feel the difference in just a few minutes. Now let's talk about creating a routine. Performing these movements in a sequence can maximize their effectiveness. Start with gentle stretches like the child's pose, twist to wake up your abdomen, move into knees to chest and air bicycle exercises. Then finish with side bends and torso twists. This progression works with your body's natural rhythm, encourages the movement of trapped gas, and gives you a sense of lightness almost immediately. Repeating this routine after every heavy meal, or whenever you feel bloated, can prevent discomfort before it even starts. While movements are crucial, simple lifestyle adjustments amplify the results. Eating slowly, chewing thoroughly, and avoiding carbonated drinks can prevent excessive air from entering the digestive system. Staying hydrated keeps your intestines moving efficiently, and walking briefly after meals stimulates digestion naturally. Combining these habits with the exercises we just covered creates a powerful system for managing and preventing bloating. You're not just reacting to discomfort, you're actively improving your digestive health. Let's not forget the emotional impact. Feeling bloated or gassy can be embarrassing and uncomfortable, affecting confidence and even mood. By learning and applying these movements, you take control over your body in a natural, non-invasive way. You no longer have to worry about sudden discomfort at work, social gatherings, or family dinners. The confidence that comes from knowing you have tools to manage your digestive comfort is empowering, and it transforms your day-to-day life. Remember, consistency is key. Practicing these stretches and movements regularly will make your body more responsive and less prone to gas accumulation over time. Even spending just 5 minutes after meals can create a noticeable improvement. Your digestive system will thank you, your abdomen will feel lighter, and your energy levels can increase simply because your body is no longer expending extra energy dealing with trapped gas. Before we conclude, a reminder: these techniques are safe for almost everyone, but if you experience severe abdominal pain, persistent bloating, or other concerning symptoms, seek professional medical advice. Our goal is to provide relief and support your wellness, but professional evaluation is important when something doesn't feel right. Your health and safety always come first. If you found these exercises helpful, here's what I want you to do next. Practice the routine daily. Share this video with friends or family who experience bloating, and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more practical, easy-to-follow tips for digestive health and overall wellness. Every small action you take today can prevent discomfort tomorrow. And by spreading this knowledge, you might help someone else feel lighter, healthier, and more confident. In summary, trapped gas and bloating don't have to control your day or dictate your comfort. By integrating gentle stretches, active movements, and mindful breathing, you can release trapped gas quickly, improve digestion, and feel more energized and comfortable. The combination of body awareness, movement, and consistency creates a powerful solution that anyone can apply, no matter your age or fitness level. These techniques are practical, fast, and effective, making relief accessible anytime you need it. Take charge of your digestive health today. Move, stretch, breathe, and feel the difference. With these exercises, you're not just easing discomfort or taking an active role in maintaining a lighter, healthier, and more comfortable body. Don't wait for bloating to slow you down. Empower yourself with knowledge and practice these movements daily. Share the relief, spread the knowledge, and subscribe for more tips that put your wellness first. Your body will thank you, your digestion will improve, and your life will feel just a little lighter every single day.